Hello, we have fitted CNG kit in Kia Sonet 8 injector 4 cylinder with turbo engine. Here we have fitted reducer with high pressure reducer coil, and here we have fitted map with filter. Here we have installed advancer, and here we have fitted easy and fast COBD 8 injector ECM 60 pin ECM. In this we have installed KP injectors, high quality and premium injectors of LOVATO. Overall fitting, wiring, taping. Here we have installed switch according to the customer, and here we have fitted CNG cylinder, and is the cylinder wall with proper tubing available in the LOVATO kit.